As you can see above me, that's old me, freaking out. This is a video that I just recorded earlier today. It eventually ended. But I still have the file up here, as you can see. Let's hit the highlights from that. So I collected about 4 dolly thingies. And let's go see those collects. And then after I show you that, we're going to finish the hunt like nothing happened. I've already collected 13 out of 20. Glad, oh yeah, we're gonna show up here, collect all those coins. Oh yeah, easy money. Oh yes. Oh, there's one. Oh, you've gotta be. Hallelujah. Thank God. Yes. No, there goes one, and I just beat a top. There goes one. I have like every power up over here. You guys thinking what I'm thinking? Nah, next time. I'm all set up. Let's do this. Let's do it. Yeah, let's get the music bumping. Yeah. I'm sorry, Chubby. Just flying on my god. Nope. Oh, I should pick that up maybe because I had a magnet, you know. Boop it though, because we passed. Hopefully we don't skip at all. I'm scared. I'll just Chubby Cop keep. Like it. How does Chubby Cop keep check? How does Chubby Cop kept catching up with me? Oh, finally. Thank you for distracting me for what I'm going to say a third time, and I might have done it the fourth. I'm not going to tell. I'm talking too much. Am I talking too much? I feel like I'm talking. Let's just keep going. Donuts. I'm ready for any. I'm not ready. I'm ready. We need one more. Cause I'm so beast. Getting all of them. Right away. And I am so dang powerful. And good at Subway Surfers, and somehow I can sing and play at the same time with my leaf floating down in the air. And I haven't stopped to take a breath for a second. Sorry, I can turn you off. Oh my god, and jetpack. Oh my god, I just collected that. Hopefully it'll skip over something. Oh my god, I'm talking really high voice. I probably shut up because you guys are getting really annoying. Oh my god, my magnet just ran out. Oh my god, my Jacob puts a card to ban out. I think I just passed the dollar thingy. And oh my god, my Jacob puts are standing and flying in the air. And oh my god. Okay. Oh, I just went on for like 10 minutes, by the way. Where's this last one? I can't find it. We are on a hunt for the missing doll. Chew. We're the highest peoples in the world. Oh no. No, I'll stay strong. I'm sorry, Jetpack. But I am on the hunt. I have to ignore you right now. I'm sorry. Stay focused. Come on, guys. Gotta keep our eyes peeled. Dun. Just need one more. Please just give it to me, Subway Surfers. Crying out loud. It's not that hard. Oh, my thumb is starting to cramp. Oh. Wow. Okay, ow. My thumb is really starting to cramp, actually, you guys. Be for real, it's starting to cramp. I can't hold my tablet anymore. I can only play. Ow, it hurts. God. Oh my god, that hurts.